Hi everyone. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Kurniadi waluyo, and I am from grade 11 Science Major 2. At this chance, I am going to demonstrate and elaborate on how to make French fries. For the ingredients, you're gonna need a potato or two, and I'll show you how to prepare the potato before frying it. For the first method, you're just gonna wash it, just like that, so you could eat the skin too. And the second one, you could peel it with a potato peeler. Next, after you prepare the potato, you're gonna start cutting it. First, you cut the potato in half, then you separate both halves. Focus on one half at a time. Divide one piece by cutting it in half again. Then slice that piece for a couple of times, just like this. Make sure you don't cut the potatoes too thin. After that, lay the sliced piece on top of each other, then cut it so it's shaped like a stick. Then you should repeat the process until all the potatoes are cut. See, you slice them, and after you slice them, you stack them on each other, and then you cut them so it's shaped like a stick. Here I am going to repeat the same process, the same cutting to the other potato. Next, after you finished slicing the potatoes, you continue by boiling it. First, you boil water in a pot, and then you add in the potatoes. And then you add some salt to the potato and water mixture. Don't forget to stir it so it's all mixed. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't get too soft and soggy. You don't want it to be soft. You want it to be halfway done, and you should strain the scum, the starch. Turn off the stove when you're done, and then strain the potatoes. Next, you're gonna fry the potatoes, hence you're going to turn on the pot and add some oil. Heat the oil up with high heat until it smokes, until it's hot. To know if the oil is hot enough, you could dip a wooden chopstick or a wooden spatula, and if it bubbles just like I showed you here, that means they're ready. Next, you fry the potatoes in batches, or you could just fry all of them at once if they fit. And you should wait and fry them patiently. Wait until they're all golden brown and seared. If you think they're ready, and if you think they're already golden brown and crunchy, you should strain them out of the oil. Next, after you strain them, make sure you season them while they're hot. Here is a one-word review. And that's it. French fries are ready to be served. And that's it. That's my way on making a homemade French fry from scratch. And I hope my video helped. I hope it helps you guys. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.